Okay, sir, I made it into the next chamber. So you have. Are you ready for the final trial, Courage? I guess so. You put me through so much. You made me cut off Eustace's hand. You made me feed him to an alligator. And what could be possibly worse than all of that? Oh! Funny you ask, Courage, 'cause I think I've got your worst nightmare right here.
Oh, hello, Courage.
Oh, Muriel! How is this my worst nightmare? Do you see that knife sitting on the floor? Yeah, I guess so. It's right over there. Wait. No. No, you don't mean. No, don't tell me you don't mean. I have to.
Oh,
Yes,
Courage. It's the only way.
Yes, Courage. Do it. You have to pick up the knife and kill Muriel. No! No, you can't make me do this! I can't do it! I won't do it!
It's okay, Courage. It's okay.
No! I can't!
Courage!
I can't!
Courage, listen to me. It's easy, Courage. You just grab the knife and you gently put it in.
Muriel, I don't want to do this.
It's okay, Courage.
I can't do this, Muriel.
You're my favorite dog, Courage.
I'm your only dog.
You're what matters to me in life, Courage. It's okay.
You monster! I'll do it. It's what Muriel wants. It's the only way I'm getting out of here. I'm so sorry, Muriel. Oh, I have to do this.
Do it, Courage.
Okay, Muriel.
Oh my.
Oh, Muriel. I'm so sorry, Muriel. I didn't want to have to do this, Muriel.
It's all right, Courage.
Muriel.
You did the right thing.
Oh, Muriel. Oh, I'm so sorry, Muriel. Oh.